I haven't been able to heal in comfort in a long time, and I've been in and out of houses, townhomes, condos, and they all have stairs. And trying to crouch up and down stairs on a prosthetic is a pain in the butt. Just to go shower, just to go lay down. And so to heal in comfort finally, and this comes at such a perfect time. And I know people say God bless all the time, and my response to them is He does every day.
Welcome, and thank you for joining us today on this special day.
Whoa.
This is a big house.
Suffice it to say that these life-changing homes are a cornerstone of everything we do at the foundation and a cornerstone of our outreach across the nation.
It's right at the core of what Gary wants to do in terms of supporting our veterans and our first responders. To be able to provide a home to one of our heroes, just amazing.
Like so many harrowing narratives of our country's wounded heroes that the foundation supports, Doc's is no different.
Doc was blown up in a Humvee in 2006 over in Iraq. He lost his left leg as a result of that IED blast.
Doc, this day we just simply want you to know and to see the resounding love and support and encouragement of a grateful nation. Whenever we build these houses, obviously a big part of it is looking forward. We might see a Doc today that walks around the house pretty well on his prosthetic leg, but that wheelchair is going to become increasingly a part of his life.
I know that the reality of using the wheelchair more is coming up, so I have to prepare.
And so one of the first things that always goes into these houses is just space. The hallways are wide, the areas are open. In addition to that, we focus on the master bathroom.
Whoa. This is amazing.
For Doc, the bathroom was very, very important. And you almost sound like a broken record because the bathroom is always important to the veterans that we build for. But for Doc, he was showering in a plastic chair since injury.
I've been in a Home Depot shower chair for, probably since injury, really.
It's all about ease of routine daily tasks. And the kitchen, good access to the sinks, to the appliances, to all those functions that we take for granted when we walk up on our able-bodied legs and reach for those controls.
But I'm not sure we can ever fully appreciate the personal sacrifices that you've made.
Our national partners are huge for the Gary Sinise Foundation and our R.I.S.E program.
And we certainly couldn't do or give enough to be able to fully recognize that.
This is a special home for us because this is our 50th home with the Gary Sinise Foundation.
Nortec has been a huge partner of ours. They were the very first national partner that came on board, and they have been a key player ever since. And their technology is used in so many ways to ease the daily life of these veterans in the homes that we build.
Without our national partners, it would be a challenge to build these homes. And in a day and age where construction costs are increasing, those partners are able to help us reduce those costs so we can continue to do the great things that we're doing.
Welcome to your new home. There's so many people that contributed to making this day a reality, and I want you to meet some of them right now.
We're humbled by your service to the Navy, and we hope this new home can provide you and your family comfort and the independence that you deserve.
Please enjoy all the bells and whistles that come with your home. But you know what? At the end of the day, we're saying thank you to you.
I want to say thank you for your service to our country.
We wish you a lifetime of happiness. Welcome home, Jacob's family.
You're a great American hero. God bless. I'm wrapping my arms around you and the family right now.
I think really one of the finishing touches for me today was to see Doc and his dad and the kids raise the American flag and the Marine Corps flag. And that Marine Corps flag, as Doc told us today, was his grandfather's.
Yeah, he's still watching over me, protecting me. I want that to eventually give to my kids or grandkids one day as well. So that way, that's what keeps with me.
This is your key to the house. In 2021, we hand iPads to people for a key to the house. So, sir, congratulations. Thank you so much for everything you've done for the country.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you, Gary Sinise Foundation, the R.I.S.E team, everybody involved.